This is my mouse and it has a problem when scrolling. I scroll down and it jitters up and down. The problem is that the shaft is slipping inside of this gray wheel, and the solution is wiring tape. A short-term solution is to flip your mouse around and drag the scroll wheel like this, and it might recover for a short period of time. There's some of these holes inside here. These have been already poken through, but basically you can use your nail until you find a small hole, and then you can jam in a screwdriver bit like this. Here's an example. We take a mouse, we're just searching for a hole, and we can notice that there's a hole somewhere in this part, and I can just jam in the screwdriver and just unscrew the screw. So let's unscrew the screws. Here we have the two most important parts. The big scroll wheel and the small one right there, the white part. To fix this, we have to remove the big scroll wheel. It can be removed by lifting it on one side and pulling it out. Just need to be careful not to break anything. The fix is by adding more material on this part so that it wouldn't spin out inside. We can do that by applying duct tape on this part. Here I have automotive duct tape. I'm going to take a tiny bit of this duct tape, apply it to the scroll wheel. Actually, it doesn't stick, so I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol to degrease it. And I'm going to cut the excess. If you add too much duct tape, then you won't be able to put the shaft back in. Hopefully a perfect amount. And now I have to put it back inside here. Back in, and now I can even feel the bumpiness of the scroll. Tick, 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 tick. Not as before.